Get him. Look at Legend. Legend!
Legend! Come here! Come here! Come here! Come here, big boy. Come here, big boy. Hi.
Yeah. Oh man. Oh, look at it. That motherfucker ain't no joke, girl. What's the flathead spider, I guess? Oh my gosh. What the? Look, you see this big rock on that motherfucker. You gonna die today. I'm gonna catch y'all at this time. Are you kidding me?
Did you?
No, I still ain't got it.
It looked like you did.
Maybe I did get it. Just trying to act dead. Don't trust it. Can't trust no spider. He'll act dead on you. Oh, that motherfucker is not. I did not hit it.
Dead.
I did not hit it. Okay. Here I come with the 88 miles an hour. Oh, I got his ass that time. Cool wood. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, but you didn't. You can't be around here. You alright, Legend? He would have tore you up.
Oh no, I was holding his lead.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that shit was gross.
I thought about catching it, but
Hell no.
Dang, what that? Full blown. This nigga full blown. Did you, Legend, you done? Huh? Y'all done? This nigga. Hey! Stop. Legend. Look at. Oh my gosh. You can't bite the rock.
He's dragging it.
Legend.
In the dirt.
Come here. What you doing? You can't bite it. Let it go. Where's you taking it? That's a stick. Oh my god, this thing is crazy.
What a beast.
God dang, you like a golf course up here.
We come in this way then.
Yeah, something like that.
Alright, Virginia. Get some positive space. Fuck you. I forgot which way.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left on Elkhorn Road.
Yeah, I remember once we got down the hill. Take a left.
Let's see which way it's sending the sign here.
It's a gated
In
community.
3/4 of a mile,
Yeah,
turn
yeah.
left on Elkhorn Road.
It's sending what it came. So we gotta go to 4060. I'm wet, so I'll be like this every day too in the summertime.
Oh yeah.
That helps out too. I don't know if it helps. Last year I lost some weight off for.
I don't mind sweating, man, cause
You know,
I'd rather lose weight.
that'll make you want to spit. Well, you good. You physical, doing physical stuff too. But you gotta lifting his heavy windows and all that shit.
Basically lifting weights.
Getting cardio too.
Stop. You ain't gonna jump now, you on camera, you can't do it.
Don't make me laugh.
I won't. He threw the hell out his ass, didn't he?
See, that part didn't hurt.
Say cheese. That look good, man. You do too.
If you
Pleasure. Let's go.
DJ, please pick up your phone. I'm on a request line.
That's some music, probably. Okay, if you just said something about best friend, I said, well, you called, y'all still drinking. I said, bring your ass on.
Tell her check her temperature.
You know y'all still drinking.
Now, if we say we
Wait, I
drinking,
said
we
tell her
drinking.
check her temperature first. She always sleeping. He said check her temperature.
Did you already put
Lex. Lex.
Come here, Lexi.
Lexi, come here. Come here, mama. Hi, pretty girl. What you doing, baby? What you doing, baby?
This motherfucker done locked me out of the car. Hey. Why you lock me out the car? She locked me out the car. Look, I got you something. Look.
Thank you.
Is it gonna be good?
Look at her.
Let me see. She need to wake up.
She's sleepy. She under mama.
Well, on we go.
Sorry. What do you need the party for? At the party. Food at the party.
You good? We riding. Back to the crib.
Fucking lot of food.
What you talking about?
That was a lot of food.
Is it? I'm about to go down the dirt gravel road. You ready?
That's a fucking lot.
Oh, you feel a lot of movement inside?
Oh, my body's broken.
Open that door. Hey, wake up. We in Spartanburg. Come on. I gotta go by Nook House. Babe.
I'm not. Bitch, I'm up.
What's that song?
The fuck? Bitch, I'm up.
shit. Lexi. Lexi. Oh my God, yeah. Look at baby. Yeah. Ebony, Nick, your turn. You gotta go. Give her that. Get back. What is? What the fuck? What type of bug is that? Oh man. The hell? Come on, gloves. It's been a while since I made a boxing video. But hey, I'm gonna punch on the bag a little bit, get back in shape. Show you some combinations you can do. This should get you in shape fast. Doing this, just punch on the bag, get you in shape. See what I'm saying? I'm orthodox, so this me right here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Quick video.
It is the end of Peppa's holiday with Kylie Kangaroo. I need to go get to the hamburger, bud. We'll go get some hamburger.
Middle of the rain. Hey, Lexi. Come on. You was just out here. Luna. Don't look at her. Legend. Look like water. She was scared when the water spout was on. When I cut it off, she just started playing. Now Luna want to get out because she's playing. I've never seen a dog play in the water. Hey, hey. What the hell is going on, huh? Babe, why you shaking like a stripper?
You're special.
What time you do?
Good night.
You like a spaz out to me. What is wrong with y'all?
Playing with the eye again for the second time in a row, but really you've got to take your hat off to the Texan for the way he went about that job and grew in confidence. You do have to take your hats off to Elspeth because he was on the fire for a few rounds, he was on his back foot, Brooke was using his strength and looked like weight advantage, but then he got injured from it. I don't think that he quit there on his knee. I mean, he was waiting for the count. He was that guy. He didn't quite know where he was there under at the end there. I think he said afterwards in the glove kick fight he was sitting 5 of it. He couldn't carry on and Dominic Ingle put the towel in. But it was obvious that something was really amiss when he went down there because he
I need to finish the doghouse up. I'm gonna put some walls on it and put some insulation in between the walls. She too damn big.
You're a big baby. You're a big baby. She getting it that way that I'm kind of, I ain't gotta hold you no more. Hey, I love you. I love you. Hey, I'm trying to give you love and affection. I'm giving you love and affection right now. You gonna take it? Look at her face.
Hey, this for the motherfuckers that think when they come out the bathroom, they clean. I'm gonna show you how to wash your motherfucking hands and get out the motherfucking store without touching anything. So once you got down on piss or whatever, go over here, get some soap, boom. Knock the soap in there. Wash your hands off. Keep that shit running. Take that first napkin off, man. Use the second one. Wash your hands off. Take that napkin. Shut that without using your hands. And flush the toilet with that motherfucker too. And then we get to this. You get another one. And you open the door and you walk out. And when you come out the store, don't grab the door handle. Put your back to that door and you use your back to push that door open so you ain't gotta touch the door to get outside the store. Alright? Because if you do, you're gonna defeat the whole damn purpose. You gotta go back in the bathroom, wash your hands again, because you're dirty again. Got the walls up. I just said fuck it. That stupid ass drill is weak as hell. Weak as hell. So I just use nails and I just nailed the top because I didn't feel like doing nothing with it. They fit in there perfectly. See? Got a couple of gaps. I'm gonna fill them gaps in. But other than that, they fit perfectly. Or I can just put the blankets and stuff, the tarp back over that, and it should be concealed. The back wall, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I might, like these pieces up here, I might just put a piece right there, across there, maybe a small piece across there. Or I can get one of the old blankets. If we have an old blanket, I can get an old blanket and poke holes through it so the nails can come through. Then I nail the blanket down to that back wall. That one hay bale stuff this wall and that wall. That motherfucker's stuffed. Stuffed. He got extra hay. Put some hay under there too. I'll put some in there. I'm done for the day.
Everest.
Just ride. I like this camera. Look how clear it is. I got a clear camera.
It's about time.
About what?
About time. I'm so fucking hungry.
What you gonna eat?
A bagel.
A bagel?
So goddamn hungry. My stomach fucking hurts.
I'm ready to eat something else too. I'm ready to eat something else. You ain't ate nothing all day?
I don't know why. I just can't get myself up in the morning. I can't get myself up, period. Until I fucking have to. I don't know why.
You can. You just gotta get up and do it. Just get up. That's all you gotta do. Get up and just run. Run to the door. It'll work. Or get up real fast. Alright. Yo, son. Yo, there's birds all in the tree right here over my house. That motherfucker just fell. Legend. Yo, son. You know how, oh, that shit all in the yard. Stop playing. $2020 for you. Y'all ain't never had birds choose the tree in my yard to gather up on a whole bunch of birds. Yo, what that shit mean? Yo, they just shitting everywhere. Oh, what the? Son. They flew away like somebody pressed fast forward in a movie. What the fuck?